What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 30 free stocks, Moomoo is going to give you up to 30 free stocks when you open a new Moomoo brokerage account. You put $100 in that new Moomoo brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. You put $2,000 in your new Moomoo brokerage account, they're going to give you 30 free stocks. Limited time offer, guys. Don't delay. Act today. Get down in the description box. Click on that Moomoo link. Open up that Moomoo account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. I will also send you 2 Moomoo tutorial videos to walk you through how to use the Moomoo brokerage app so you can start building wealth right now. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Let me know you've opened your Moomoo account. Let me know you funded it. And I'm going to send you out those Moomoo tutorial videos to get you off to a fast start in 2025. Well, guys, 4th day in a row where we've seen a sharp pullback in the stock market. A lot of you guys have been asking me, Richard, why is the stock market selling off? Who is causing all of this? I'm not a professional. This is not financial advice. Go out and do your own research so that you can come up with your own conclusion. But here's what my conclusion is. Institutional investors, guys, are selling everything. Now, here's what they're doing, though. They're going to have their little minions come out in the public on these finance channels, these finance networks. They're going to have their little minions come out and tell you everything is great. But behind closed doors, these institutional investors are selling everything. That's the reason why in the beginning of the day when the market opens, in about 15 minutes after the market opens, you see this sharp sell-off over these last 4 days. You also notice 15 minutes or so before the market closes, you see another sharp sell-off. Why is that? Because institutional investors are already pre-selling. They've already put their tickets in. So when the market opens, within 15 minutes of it opening, selling off. Within 15 minutes of it closing, normal hours, selling off. That's what's happening. Institutional investors are getting out of a lot of these positions. Why? They're de-risking. Why are these institutional investors de-risking? Because of uncertainty. I keep telling you guys this. Well, matter of fact, I've told you guys this over the last several days. De-risking the portfolio because of uncertainty. What do I mean by uncertainty? Well, lately, this week, you're getting some indications from data that the economy might be wobbling a little bit. That's uncertainty. Number 2, 47. 47 and these tariffs. That throws another monkey wrench into investors' psyche. They're starting to say to themselves, this is unpredictable what 47 is doing. Tariffs one day, no tariffs the next day. Now the tariffs back on again. It's just too much uncertainty around the tariffs. And then you got the economy, right? So when you have uncertainty like this, guys, institutional investors, billionaire investors, hedge funds, they don't like that. So what do? They start de-risking their portfolios. And that's just a fancy word for selling. And that's what you're having happening right now. They are selling like crazy. Why would they be selling, Richard? Why? Because they've had 2 years of up. The last 2 years in the stock market, guys, 2023 and 2024 were amazing years. Both of those years, your broader stock market did at least a 20% rate of return. That's the S&P 500. Think about investments that did higher than that. So they've had an amazing 2-year run. Nobody wants to lose that. especially not institutional investors who are dealing with billions and trillions of dollars, guys, right? So they rather de-risk, sell off everything, move everything to cash for a while until they get more clarity. Now, for you and I, we can do that as well if we choose to. I can sell it all right now and move it to cash and just wait. But see, I'm not a hedge fund. I'm not a billionaire. I'm not an institutional investor. I'm not dealing with billions and trillions of dollars. So for me, instead of de-risking and moving my money to cash, what I prefer to do is buy the dip, position myself. So when things do return, which they will, I'm in a position automatically to capture all that upside and build my wealth. That's what I choose to do. I do not choose to sell off everything and keep it in cash. That doesn't mean you don't do what I'm doing. You can do whatever you want to do. But I look at it as an opportunity for me to strategically buy great companies at a discount and wait this thing out. And that's what I plan on doing. You have to figure out what you're planning on doing. And again, guys, I'm just giving you my 2 cents. You don't have to believe what I'm saying. You may disagree. Maybe you're disagreeing that institutional investors are selling off. But I'm telling you guys, if you look at the market over these last 4 days, how systematic this thing is, you got to look to the institutional investors. It's just incredible the way the market is sold off over these last 4 days. And it kind of built on each day. So you started Thursday of last week, and then Friday, and then Monday, and look at Tuesday. I'm telling you, it's institutional investors, in my opinion. You might throw in some hedge funds, you may throw in some billionaires, but really it's institutional investors who have the power to move the market the way they're moving it. And again, they're not going to tell you that in public. No. They're not going to say that publicly, guys. But they are doing it, in my opinion, behind closed doors. So that's the reason, my opinion, that you see the sharp sell-off you've been seeing. Think about it. Think about when the market opened this morning. Within about 15 minutes, what happened? You had a sharp sell-off that just kept dropping. Listen, man, you had companies like Rklb. Just for an example. Rklb started off, guys, today at $21.70. This is what the stock price opened at. And it went down to $19.78. And it closed at $20.28. You trying to tell me that's not, that's my opinion, guys. It's institutional investors, right? Let's take a look at another one. Super Microcomputer started the day. Stock price opened at $50.12. Guess what the low was? $44 even. And it closed at $45.54. Let's take a look at Nvidia, one of the biggest companies in the world, one of the top 3 largest companies by market cap in the world. Let's take a look at their stock and what it did today. Opened at $129.98, guys. Got all the way down to $124.44. Closed at $126.63. Guys, go look at the volume. I'm telling you, in my opinion, it can only be institutional investors that are doing this, man. Let's look at Pltr. Pltr started off the day at $90.65. That's what the stock price opened at. Got down to $85.25. Closed at $87.84. Tomorrow, you have Nvidia, after the market closes, will be coming out with its Q4 earnings report. I believe it's going to be a spectacular earnings report. I think they're going to show that Blackwell is starting to ramp up and really do well. So I think they're going to beat expectations, but that doesn't mean their stock price will go up. Remember, last 2 quarters, they have beat expectations both quarters. And what did the stock price do? Went down. The good news for me, guys, and should be good news for you, we've been here before. My job, though, is to continue looking for absolute wonderful companies that are heavily discounted, which pretty much all of them are right now, and buying them and keeping myself in position to win. I'm not here to try to time when the bottom of the market is. That's not what I do. I'm not real good at that. And most retail investors are not good at that. So my job is not to try to time the bottom. My job is to look at these different companies, look at these different ETFs and say, hold up. How far off are they off their all-time high? Okay, what has the stock been doing prior to last week and this whole tariff thing, right? You also got to understand the whole FOMO rally for 47 is over, right? He's 1 month into office and the stock market is in the crapper. So, and I'm not blaming him for that. I'm just telling you that's the truth. He's 1 month into office and the stock market is in the crapper. I'm not saying it'll stay in the crapper, and I'm not, like I said, I'm not blaming anybody. I'm just telling you what's happening. Why? Because the romance, the honeymoon period is over. And these institutional investors don't care anything about that. They don't care about that. What they care about is making money. And right now they believe 47 is a part of the reason why there is uncertainty with the tariffs. I'm not saying that's bad or good. I'm just telling you that these institutional investors are selling off because of that. You ask me why, I gave you my opinion. You don't have to agree. Drop it down in the comment box what your opinion is. Would love to know. If you want up to 30 free stocks, Moo is going to give you up to 30 free stocks when you open a new Moo brokerage account. You put $100 in there, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. You put $2,000 in your new Moo brokerage account, they're going to give you 30 free stocks, publicly traded companies. Right now, they may be in dip season, but they may be going back up in a rally here real soon if we can get some clarity in the stock market, right? So if you want to take advantage of that offer, get down to the description box, click on that first link, which is the Moo link, and go ahead and open up that Moo account. Go get the free stock. Go get the free money. www.richardfain.net is the website address, guys. Go check out my website. Second link down in the description box. When you click on that website address, it's going to take you to my website. And in that website, you're going to have digital products, 10 of them, that are big boy blue chip, that'll help you with your financial literacy, help you get more comfortable with investing. And that's where you want to be able to take advantage of this great opportunity to buy the great companies while they're on sale. But you need some confidence in yourself, and you get that through the digital products, increasing your financial literacy. So go check them out. While you're in the website, consider joining the Wealth Builders. We're the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We have 1,800 Wealth Builders in our community in a little over 9 months. And all we do in that community is help each other build wealth through golden nuggets, tips, best practices, what's working, what's not working. We provide a safe environment for you to ask questions. We will certainly give you our opinion. None of us are experts. We don't try to be experts. We don't try to tell you what to do, but we will offer our opinion and what we're doing. And collectively, with 1,800 members, there's a lot of information you can get to answer your questions because of the vast experience that's in that financial community. If you want to be a part of that, all you got to do in the website is click on the join button. Click on the membership button. It'll take you over to Patreon. Sign up. Come join us. We'd love to have you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.